Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy 3-ingredient chocolate Ganache truffles that make an indulgent sweet treat. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give these indulgent, easy 3-ingredient chocolate Ganache truffles a try and what you think of them. So let me show you how to make them. Start by breaking up 250 grams or 8.8 ounces of chocolate into a large bowl. I'm using 70% chocolate. You can use 85% and add sweetness if you want them to be low carb and sugar free. You can use milk chocolate. You could use any chocolate that you like. You could use chocolate chips. That will save you breaking up all of the chocolate into bits. It is totally up to you, but just break them all up into chocolate chips, chocolate chunks in a bowl, so then it's all ready to go when you're ready to create your truffle mixture. Then measure out 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. You can use any cream that you'd like in the recipe. Pour the cream out into a small saucepan, and then you add on a tablespoon of butter to give it even more lovely creaminess. And pop it on the stovetop over medium or so heat. Just heat it until the butter has melted and the cream starts to just gently simmer. You don't want to really bring it up to boiling point. Just till it starts to gently simmer, we remove it from the heat. And then pour the heated cream over the chopped chocolate to melt. Allow it to sit for a minute or so and then get to work stirring well to melt the chocolate, and keep stirring until you have a creamy pool of chocolate. Then cool the chocolate ganache truffle mixture to room temperature. So once it's cooled to room temperature and you have a beautiful, just decadent pool of chocolate, move the mixture into a lined container. You can move it into an airtight container or a tin that's lined with baking parchment paper. Smooth the mixture down so you've got a nice even layer, and just be sure it's room temperature when you're doing this so you don't put something hot into the fridge. And then it just moves into the fridge. Once you've got your lovely mixture in your container, move it into the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight. And then the fun part, once the truffles out the fridge, once they've set, it's time to cut them into squares. I quite like cutting truffles into squares rather than rolling them. It's much easier, it's much less messy than rolling out truffles. So cut your truffle, big huge truffles, chocolate ganache truffle square into bite-sized pieces. And then the easy 3-ingredient chocolate ganache truffles are ready to enjoy and indulge as a sweet treat that, as you saw, has 3 ingredients and is super quick and simple to make and makes such a decadent treat. These are just so melt in the mouth chocolate goodness. So that is the video for today for my easy 3-ingredient chocolate ganache truffles. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos. Comment too, let me know if you give these a try, what you think of them, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe with the step-by-step instructions and everything you need. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.